Hello everyone, I'm here at the Peterborough Drive Test Center and I will be showing you the route number 1 for G2 test at the new location. When you come here, please make sure that you're parking your car in one of the designated parking spaces here. Please make sure that you are parking your car in reverse. It will be easier for you to come out, and when you park your car, then please make sure you know the number of your parking space. Then you will have to go inside the drive test center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road tests. You will have to enter your driver's license number there, and then your appointment will pop up. Once your appointment pops up, then click on it. It will take you to the next screen. The kiosk will ask you a couple of questions. Question number 1 is if you're wearing any eyeglasses. If you are, please make sure you have them on you. If you are not wearing any eyeglasses, you can put no for it. And the second question is if you have any medical condition. If you have any medical condition, it's not recommended that you would do your road test. If you don't have, you can put no for that. And the next screen will be about your vehicle. So you'll have to put in your vehicle information, your make of your vehicle, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is, and then your license plate number, the color of your vehicle, and the parking space where you have parked your car at. After you do that, the kiosk will give you a ticket. You grab the ticket, come back to your car, and when you'll have to wait for the examiner. While you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, and make sure that you have your seat belt on. And when the examiner will come to your car, please make sure that you know how to start the car. Practice it a couple of times before your road test. Make sure you start your car, roll down your window. The examiner will come to you. He or she will introduce himself or herself to you and will ask for your driver's license. So you present your driver's license, and then the examiner will ask for your full name, your date of birth, and then will ask you to beep the horn. You beep the horn, and then the examiner will go to the front of the car, will ask you for the right signal, then left signal, and then the examiner will go to the back of your car and will ask you for the same thing, right signal, left signal, and will ask you to step on the brake a couple of times and take your foot off the brake. The examiner will come sit beside you in the car and will read some stuff from their iPad, and then you will have to sign it, and then the examiner will give you direction to go. So in here at Peterborough's new location, they will ask you to go left. So please make sure you put your car in drive, have your signal on. Before leaving, make sure you do a good 360 degrees check all around. And then slowly, while looking right and left, nice and slowly come out and turn left here. When you turn left here, then you're going to turn right again, mirror signal blind spot to the right, and then you're going to make a right turn here. Again, there's another right turn, so mirror signal blind spot to the right, and then you will turn right here. And continue on this lane, and then you will be going right. You will be asked to go right. So mirror signal blind spot to the right, stop here, check for any pedestrian, no pedestrian, creep up, no cars from the left side, and then turn right on the first lane. So go on this lane, continue. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour, and you will be asked to continue on this lane. So keep going on this lane. If you're asked to do a lane change, you can do a couple of lane changes. If you're not asked, then continue on this lane. Any intersection that is coming on your way, please make sure that you're checking left, right, and then continue, look right, left, and then continue on this lane. So again, any intersection that's coming, just look right, left, and then you'll be asked to make a right turn at the next traffic light. So once you get here, mirror signal blind spot to the right and get into this lane here. It's a green light. Just check for any pedestrian on the right side. No pedestrian, check a blind spot and turn right here. You will turn right here. There's a school zone area here, so 40 kilometers per hour. Guys, please make sure you do not go over 40 kilometers per hour and continue here. It's okay to be at 38, 39, but do not go over the speed limit. Just make sure that you're checking and nice and smoothly you're going in. There is a stop sign on the right side, so maybe they might ask you to go left or right. So if they ask you to go left, so you can do mirror signal blind spot to the left and then come to a complete stop here. It's an always stop sign. Come to a complete stop, check left, right all around, and go halfway in, and then make a left turn here. So when you come here, you might be asked to do a 3-point turn or anything, or they will ask you to go right. So there's a stop sign, one-way stop sign, mirror signal blind spot. I'm going to come to a complete stop here. It's a one-way stop sign. So check, 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 and check on left side, and then turn right here. When you turn right here, just continue on this, and you might be asked to do a 3-point turn here. So these are the streets where they're going to bring you for all the maneuvers and everything, for uphill, downhill. So I'm going to do a 3-point turn for you guys. So mirror signal blind spot to the right. I'm going to pull over to the side. I'm going to come to a complete stop here, and do again, come to a complete stop. Check your mirror signal to the left. Check left, turn your wheels all the way to the left, look left and straight, and then go all the way until that lawn or curb is under your mirror. So reverse gear, turn your wheels all the way to the right, signal to the right, do a good 360 degrees check all around, and go all the way until your mirror is in the middle of the road. You stop, change your gear, check right, left, and turn your wheels all the way to the left, and then continue just like this. Okay, so these are the streets where they're going to bring you into, and you might be asked to go left again. So watch for any pedestrian. If there's any parked cars, make sure you're maintaining 1 meter gap between your car and the car in front. There's a stop sign. They will ask you to go left, mirror signal blind spot to the left. You come to a complete stop here. Check, 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 go halfway in, and then turn left right here. So in here, you'll be asked to go straight. Again, there's a parked car, stay 1 meter away from it, and I'm gonna go straight here. Come to a complete stop, always stop sign, check mirror, left, center, right, left again. It's my turn, and I'm gonna go. The speed limit here is 30. So if you're in this school zone, make sure that you're driving at 30 speed limit. Make sure you're not exceeding the speed limit here. Keep on looking all around. Check, check, check. Because it's a school zone, there is an always stop sign. So I'm going to come to a complete stop here. Come to a complete stop. So mirror, left, center, right, left again. And I'm going to continue. There is a pedestrian. So I'll try to stay away from the pedestrian, just like that, and continue here. So any of these streets, you can be anywhere here, and you might be asked to go right. So I'm going to go right, mirror signal blind spot, come to a complete stop here. Check, 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 mirror left, center, right, left again, and then make a right turn here. I'm going to make a right turn here, and you might be asked to do a parallel park with the car there. So I'm going to do a parallel park with this car. I'm going to do mirror signal blind spot to the right, and I'm going to come closer about 1 meter away from the car. So I'm going to stop here and put my car in reverse. Check, check, check. There's a car coming. I will wait for it. Make sure that if there's any car coming, so please make sure that you're waiting. Do not do your parallel park if there is any cars coming your way. So wait for them, let them go, and then you can do your parallel park. Do not rush. Okay, so do a good 360 degrees check before you do your parallel park, and then go all the way in. Keep on looking all around. So up to here, and then I'm going to turn my wheels all the way to the left and keep the signal to the right, and then keep on checking. Always observe before observation before action. So just like this, the parallel park completed. Straighten up your wheels and park your car, pull your handbrake. Okay, so and then you'll be asked to leave. So I'm going to put the car in reverse, signal to the left, check back and reverse until you see the bumper of the car. Okay, and then put your car in drive, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and then I'm going to come out just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do one more 3-point turn here for you guys. So mirror, signal, blind spot. Again, I'm going to pull over closer to the curb, come to a complete stop, and then do mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. And then I'm going to go all the way until the curb is under my mirror. I'm going to put the car in reverse, signal to the right, and I'm gonna go all the way, and then I'll stop when my mirror is in the middle, check, 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 and then I'll go just like this. And that's pretty much it, guys. So you will be asked to do uphill, downhill parking as well. Usually when they ask you for uphill at this stop sign, you might be asked to go right. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I'm gonna go right. Here, come to a complete stop. So mirror, left, center, right, left again, and then turn right. Just like that. Okay, and then if you're asked to do an uphill parking, so in this case here, there's no curb. If they ask you on this street, so mirror, signal, blind spot, if they ask you for an uphill parking here, so please make sure that you're coming to a complete stop. This is an uphill parking without a curb. So I will turn my wheels to the right. So if there's an uphill parking without a curb, you're turning your wheels to the right. So park your car and pull your handbrake. So only uphill with curb, you're turning your wheels to the left. But if it's uphill without curb like this street, you're turning your wheels to the right. Uphill with curb is to the left. Uphill without curb is to the right. Downhill with or without curb is to the right. So, and then that's it. And then you'll be asked to leave. So mirror, signal, blind spot, turn your wheels. Make sure no cars are coming, and then you're gonna come out and continue on this, and at the upcoming stop sign you will be asked to turn right. So these are the streets. The streets may change here and there depending on the examiner, but mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I'm gonna make a right turn on High Street. So come to a complete stop here. Make sure you're checking for pedestrian, no pedestrian, creep up and look for any cars on the left side. No cars, and I'm gonna turn right here. Just like this, and continue on this lane, and the speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour, so maintain a good speed limit. Look left, right, and you will be asked to turn right at the traffic light. So I'm gonna do mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and I'm gonna make a right turn right here. Come to a complete stop here. It's a red light. So when you're making a right turn on a red light, always treat it like a one-way stop sign. So come to a complete stop. So this car in front of me, I'm not sure why is he stopped. I don't see any cars, but he's waiting. Yes, there is an advanced green light. I'm not sure what he's waiting for, but you treat it like a one-way stop sign. So I'm gonna creep up. I'm gonna come to a stop here, check for pedestrian, no pedestrian, then I'm gonna creep up and look for any cars from the left side. So if there is any cars, you will have to wait. If no cars, just check your blind spot and turn right here. So when you turn right here, then the examiner will take you back to the drive test center, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, and then I'm gonna turn right here, and then they will ask you to park in one of the parking spaces that could be anywhere. So I'm gonna park right beside this black car, mirror, signal, blind spot, and I'm gonna park right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. And the examiner will tell you if you pass or fail. If you pass your test, then you will have to grab that ticket that you had from the beginning. You go inside the drive test center and wait there for your number, and they will call your number or they will call your name, and then you go to that counter, and you mostly counter A, and then they will give you your temporary license and will tell you to drive with both G1 and that, and they will put a sticker on your G1 license, and then you can start driving with your G2 until you get your plastic license in the mail. Guys, if you like this video, if this was helpful, please make sure that you're subscribing to my YouTube channel. Leave me some great comments. Please make sure that you're sharing this video with your friends and families. This was route number 1. For route number 2, I will be posting route number 2 as well, but that is the same as the old one. It's a little bit a longer drive, but they will take you to the old routes where they used to do in the old location. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure that you're following me for more videos.